I have a long list of garden tasks today. I have to prune the tomatoes again, those leaves, and then I need to prune the grapevine over there. Just lots of pruning. I need to harvest the spinach and then uproot the rest, and then we can harvest. 1 second, this way. So there are a lot of cars passing by, and then we can harvest the peppers. Let's see, we have peppers that are ready. I can sell calamansi calamansi seedlings. There's a calamansi here growing. If I have time, I can uproot all these like weeds. And then also prune some with this like pear. Like here, there is a tiny fruit here, and then those tiny fruits over there, and here too. So I'm only pruning the branches that don't have like fruits. Just like pruning this tomato plant. We need to keep the lower portion, the kind of like the middle half of the tomatoes like clear. Just remove the leaves, and then so it will produce more fruits. So it would like use its energy producing fruits than like supporting those leaves. There are a lot of flower buds too. This one is going outside. I just need to put them inside the tomato cage so they all grow inside. Let's go inside. The tomato is almost touching the fig tree, but the fig has a lot of tiny fruits growing. I don't want to ruin them because we love figs. We have an extra space here to plant more vegetables, so I'm going to look at this bush beans. I'm going to plant taro later on that spot, and then cucumbers too. Now I need to prune the branch that is on the roof, like that one. I can prune it I can prune this from here. Actually, we can harvest some of them, like this one. It's ready. Look, beautiful, right? Beautiful beetroot. I can cook this for dinner tonight. And then this one too. These are like small. I think these are very small. I can do this. Only this one. This is gorgeous. Now, have you seen a beetroot as big as this? Let's prune this grapevine like this, and the ones that are already on the peppers. And then here too, look at this grapevine on the kumquat, and then the fennel is on the walkway now, and there's a weed here, and this is a carrot flower. If you haven't seen a carrot flower, this is how it looks. Oh, I can put this on the vase actually. Let's harvest the peppers that are ready. These are Hungarian sweet peppers. We have 6 Hungarian peppers that are ready. 1, Look at the grapes. They are getting bigger. In a couple of months, they are ready. These are green grapes, so they stay green. The variety is pearlet grapes. Here are the peppers. Now let's harvest some strawberries. This one, perfect, beautiful. And let's harvest some kumquats too. This will neutralize the taste of the cheese. Maybe this is enough. The very first tomatoes that are ready. This is not super ripe yet, but let's just harvest it. And then there's another one here. This is actually the first one that is ready. This is sun gold. This one is sun gold. This other one is midnight snack. We have grown both before. There are a lot that will be ready soon. Look at how beautiful. The start of the summer season harvest. We have peppers, strawberries, kumquats, and then the teeny tiny tomatoes. And we have beets, the beetroots. We need some mint for the beets. So let's harvest some of this mints to garnish the beets. I have not shown you this before, but look at this hibiscus. Beautiful pink hibiscus. Here's a mountain of my garden prunings. I'm going to take a break to have breakfast. These are grapevines and tomatoes. It's ready. I'm cooking the eggs here, and then the meatloaf. Brunch is almost ready. Here are the flowers that I got from this side. Let's get pink from the other side. Here are my flowers. Our brunch, we have the Danish pastries from our trip to Solvang yesterday from Olsen's Bakery. And then we have the meatloaf, the sunny side eggs, the corned beef with potatoes, the rice, and then the coffee. Let's eat.
Sorry that my voice sounds a bit deep.
Why? You're growing. That's why.
Oh.
Oh, there's a flower. Oh, there's a mockingbird. There's a mockingbird on the grapevine. Did you see it? Underneath the grapevine.
Where?
There you go, flying around. Oh, it's going to eat the grapes, but the grapes are not ready yet, but it's already preparing.
There.
Yeah, see that? There. If you want to see a mockingbird up close, that's what it is. It's very easy to identify a mockingbird actually.
How?
It has stripe on both wings. You know who told me that?
Who?
Our neighbor in the old house. He's a popular voice actor actually. And he said that's how you identify it. And then they can mimic different kinds of sounds. The fennel that I have pruned. I'm going to use some of the flowers. The flowers are beautiful, like this. Some more flowers here that I could see. Like this one. I could decorate this. I'm about to prepare our dinner with some garden harvest. This and then the beets. We're going to eat the beets raw. So I'll just slice this and then garnish it with mint. The mint I harvested from the garden also. And I'm going to saute the fennel, and then I have shrimp and then some cheese.